Welcome to Palawan. Palawan is known for a trove of natural attractions, both on land and under the sea. A 1-hour flight from Manila can take you to the paradise and experience the beauty you've never seen before. From its islands and waters, caves and mountains, and pure blue sea, you can experience the beauty under the sea. Only on Palawan.
Mabuhay! I'm your tour guide, Roquette Bitina. Welcome to Palawan, the Philippine last ecological frontier. Today we'll take you on a tour of this breathtaking province and show you why it's the most visited destination.
From stunning beaches and hidden lagoons to rich history and wildlife, get ready to explore Palawan like never before.
Our first stop, Puerto Princesa, the gateway to Palawan. Our journey begins here, in Puerto Princesa, the capital of Palawan. This city is known for its cleanliness and ecotourism initiative.
One of the best ways to start your trip in visiting Puerto Princesa, on the river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature.
This 8.2-kilometer long river flows beneath a stunning limestone mountain. Inside, you'll find Asian rock formation and a thriving bat colony and an airy yet magical atmosphere.
Next, let's head to Honda Bay, just a short boat ride from Puerto Princesa. This is where you can go island hopping and enjoying crystal clear waters.
Starfish Island. As the name suggests, you'll find plenty of starfish here, along with colorful marine life perfect for snorkeling.
And here's the Lily Island, known for disappearing sandbars and depending on the tide, it's perfect spot for sunbathing and relaxing. Welcome to El Nido, home to over 45 islands. It says one of the most famous tours here in Big Lagoon and Small Lagoon, where you can kayak through crystal clear waters surrounded by limestone reefs.
This place feels like a scene straight out of a movie. The water is so clear, the view are just breathtaking.
If you are looking for a quiet escape, Nakpan Beach is the best place to be. This 4 kilometers long beach is perfect for those who want to relax and enjoy nature away from the cowards.
And of course, don't forget to try the fresh seafoods. Nothing beats eating grilled fish and shrimp by the beach.
Now, we're off to Coron, a destination known for its World War II shipwreck diving sites and stunning lagoons.
Coron is a diver paradise. You can explore sun-kissed Japanese warship from World War II, which have now become home to vibrant marine life.
If diving isn't your thing, don't worry. Kayagan Lake is the cleanest lake in the Philippines. Offers the breathtaking view and relaxing swim in its crystal clear water.
Our last final stop, Acolion, a historical island. Before we end our journey, let's take a quick trip to Colion Island, once known as a leper colony during the American period. Today, it stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. all.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content.